Hi, I'm Stephanie for Adorama TV, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the features on PowerVision's PowerEgg X AI camera and drone. The PowerEgg X is a high-performance drone. The camera shoots at 4K up to 60 frames per second, and through the app on your phone, you can view and control a real-time 1080p image transmission with a distance of 3.7 miles. The drone also has a maximum wind speed resistance of 20 knots or about 23 miles per hour, so it should stably fly in coastal or windy conditions. The PowerEgg X has a flight time of 30 minutes when you're using it as a drone. The PowerEgg X has strong face recognition abilities, which are continuously improved through deep learning to follow an object when taking a photo or recording a video. The PowerEgg X is also a handheld 3-axis gimbal. When switched into handheld mode, you can use it as a 4K camera with a gimbal, which means it will filter out shakes and vibrations, so you'll have smooth and consistent handheld footage. One of the coolest features are the waterproof accessories that come with the Wizard version of the PowerEgg X. With the water landing floats and waterproof housing, the PowerEgg X can fly in the rain and take off and land in the water. Overall, the PowerEgg X is really fun to fly. The additional AI and gimbal features, as well as the waterproof accessories, make it a versatile device if you're looking for a new drone. For more information on the PowerEgg X, click on the link below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Adorama TV for more videos like this one. See you next time.